Welcome to Life's Health Formula. Today, we're diving into 10 fascinating and science-backed facts about the human body that will absolutely blow your mind. Stick with us. You'll never see your body the same way again. Surprisingly, your brain doesn't have pain receptors. That means it can't feel pain, even though it controls everything else. This is why brain surgeries can be done while the patient is fully awake. Your heart beats around 100,000 times per day. Over a lifetime, that's nearly 3 billion beats, pumping more than 50 million gallons of blood. That's like moving a mountain every day. Quick question. What do you think is the most mysterious part of the human body? Let us know in the comments, and we'll feature some of the most interesting answers in future videos. Your eyes are biological super cameras. The resolution? Equivalent to about 576 megapixels. They adapt instantly to light, depth, and focus. Better than any smartphone on the market. You don't have the same bones you were born with. In fact, your entire skeleton is replaced about every 10 years, thanks to constant bone cell regeneration. Your tongue is loaded with over 8,000 taste receptors. The sweet ones are the most active, which might explain our global obsession with desserts. If you lined up all the blood vessels in your body, they would stretch over 100,000 kilometers, enough to circle the planet more than twice. We often ignore them, but your toes, especially the big one, are crucial for balance. Without them, walking or standing upright would be nearly impossible. Inside each of your cells is a DNA sequence that's 3 billion letters long. That's the equivalent of a 200,000-page book, and your body reads it every second. With over 4 million sweat glands, your body regulates its own temperature. Just a little sweat evaporation can cool you down in seconds. Nature's AC. During sleep, your brain activates the glymphatic system, which flushes out toxins and waste. So quality sleep isn't just rest. It's a nightly cleaning process for your brain. As you've just seen, the human body is one of the most complex and awe-inspiring systems in existence. And we've only scratched the surface. If you love learning fascinating health facts like these, make sure to subscribe to Life's Health Formula and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Which of today's facts shocked you the most? Or do you know a mind-blowing body fact we didn't mention? Share it in the comments. We might feature you in the next episode.